Welcome back to Flash Friday. It's Len here, and thank you for joining us. This week, we will be discussing rubber insulating gloves with leather protectors. In particular, we will be discussing their proper use, care, and maintenance. The rubber insulating gloves with leather protectors are considered part of what is referred to as electrical specific PPE. Last week, as you recall, we discussed other forms of PPE. This specialized clothing, tools, and equipment worn and used by workers is designed to provide protection against exposure to the electrical hazards of arc flash and shock. The rubber insulating glove leather protector protects the worker from the hazard of electrical shock. However, testing has proven these gloves provide the added protection against the heat from an arc flash, particularly the outer leather protector. Because of the importance of maintaining the gloves free from holes or damage, never just wear the rubber insulating glove itself. Always use the leather protectors over the gloves to protect them from damage. When selecting the proper glove, it is important to note the different classes of gloves. Below is a table which illustrates the different class of gloves. The Class 0 glove is the likely most popular used on low voltage systems, as they are lightweight, flexible, and rated to 1000 volts, making them a good choice for many applications. Regardless of what class of glove you are using, always inspect your gloves before each use. Perform a good visual of both gloves to inspect for holes or cracks. Also turn both the gloves inside out and inspect again. Capture air into the glove to inspect for holes and leaks. Electrical current can find its way through the smallest of holes. You may have noticed that there is a distance in cuff between the inner rubber glove and the outer leather protector. This is a must, and it is important that it is always maintained. The reasoning is that if the outer leather protector becomes wet and the glove is in contact with an exposed energized conductor or circuit part, the leather may conduct electricity, resulting in the electricity traveling up the worker's arm. The table below illustrates the minimum distance from the outer protector and inner glove. The inner dielectric portion of the glove requires testing. The gloves must be tested and certified by an approved lab before first use and at intervals not exceeding 6 months, as per ASTM F496. Provincial standards may vary. New or recertified insulating rubber gloves may be kept in storage for up to 12 months before requiring retesting. Finally, when not in use, always store your gloves in an approved storage device, such as a cloth pouch. Always insert the gloves into the pouch with the fingers facing up. This will avoid any particles from entering the gloves and causing damage. Store the gloves in a cool, dry place to avoid damage from environmental conditions. Well, that's all for this week, folks. Thank you again for joining us, and please be sure to join us again next week.